Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to talk about a book, Vagabond Pilot, by Robert J. Young. Now, he told us all about it the other day on the Grumman Gang, and I and others, we ordered a copy and started reading it. So stay tuned while we have some more fun with this topic. This book basically covers his flight back and forth across the country. So again, stay tuned while we have some more fun with this topic. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now, picking back up with Robert's book, I got to tell you, it's a good read. You can tell it's written by a pilot, but it's not a bad read at all. I have read worse books, but this is a good one. So folks, not endorsing it. I'm just saying I found it fun as it talks about his trip. Some of the photos are interesting. The people he talks about, Ken Blackman makes a cameo in the introduction of the book. So ladies and gentlemen, again, not a bad read. Now, again, there were some pictures along the center spine of where the airplane was back and forth across the country. Again, that is Vagabond Pilot. Not an endorsement, but I'm enjoying it. Now, you might remember, those of you on the Grumman Gang, a few years ago, we had a book called Thunder in the Tummy by Joel Elman, better known as Squarf. And he spammed us on the Grumman Gang like, oh, you should read my new book. It's really great. It's about a terrific pilot. And Mark kicked him off. He rejoined and he continued. He's permanently banned now. Let me say this about his book. It was written by somebody who is fairly egotistical. It shows in the book. He thinks the book is great. I'm finding it a very difficult read, but there's a little FYI for you. So Thunder in the Tummy. Those of you who've been on the Grumman Gang for a number of years might remember this whole incident, but there you go. Now, in the book department, again, from a reader in Florida, Roscoe, My Cardinal Sin. It was an interesting read by Chip Kirkpatrick. It's about him finding a fledgling cardinal and raising it up to an adult, which eventually went to live back in the wild. But it's a good book, and I bought a copy for Matt because Matt's a big bird nut with his parrots and his grays and all. So anyway, Roscoe, My Cardinal Sin. Luann might be a co-author in that book. But anyway, those are the books. I'm not in saying go out and buy them, but they were all good reads with the exception of Thunder in the Tummy. Hope you found this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman.